blog niche ideas for affiliate marketing. So you've heard of affiliate marketing, you believe it's for you, you know the potential, you heard of good things about it. It could be a side project or a side hustle for you, bring in some income, or probably replace your full-time income, which I believe it can, because I know what affiliate marketing has done for me and a lot of entrepreneurs. So today we are going to look at blog niche ideas. You've heard that you need a niche. You need to find a niche, cater to the needs of this niche. How do you find these niches? There's a lot of information online, on YouTube, everywhere online. How do you get the best niches to enter? Because this is real business. If you fail with your niche, or if you fail with finding the best niche, you are doomed. You will not love affiliate marketing for the rest of your life. You waste so much of your time, and that will be the end of you earning anything online. So today I'm going to give you my best ways of finding niches. And if you stay with me to the end, I'm going to give you the best and the most profitable way of finding a niche, mostly done for you, so that you don't waste time to do all the research and everything. First of all, this is real business. And I believe if you want to get involved in this, you should see that the real business and the risk involved, everything should be at the back of your mind. Whenever you're making a decision, you should make a decision that is going to influence your success or failure if it doesn't work for you. So without much ado, let's look at a few of the blog niches that I would look at if I was starting once again.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So first of all, let me give you the three ways or the three avenues to find blog niches for your affiliate marketing business. And the first one is your own hobbies, because this is business and this is writing about something or recommending something to somebody. If you are not interested in what you're going to do, you would lose faith, you lose hope, you lose the energy. So your hobby is one of your best options for you to start. Number two is to look at the end from the beginning. And where can you do that? Is to look at people who have succeeded already and are probably moving on or selling their businesses. There you could easily tell what is successful and what is not. If someone has done it and so much and is selling a property, then you know that, hey, this person has experience. So you go look at the niches that are succeeded already. So we will look at website brokers or your online business brokers as our second option. The third option is the turnkey. That is what I recommend for you. A turnkey website that is done for you. You don't need to go through all the process. You need about 6 months to 1 year to start the process. And that can be done for you, and you don't have to go through that stress. So these are the three ways. Let's hit on the first one. The first one is your hobby. And with your hobby, I'll look at Wikipedia list of hobbies. And there you go. This is a partial list of hobbies. And I can tell you that's a long list there. General hobbies, indoor, outdoors, collection of hobbies. Then we go for the indoors. 3D printing, acrobatics, acting, stuff from A to Z. That's a whole list. Building, blogging, bowling, Brazil jiu-jitsu, bread making, home improvement. You just have to click on them, and that's a huge list. So you have a fair idea of niches. If you are lacking niches, this is the best way to find niches. Almost everything is here, and I can tell you that your hobby or most of your hobbies are here that you can start looking at. So we have clothes making, coffee roasting, knife making, lace making. You can build a business from one of these niches. And most importantly and most enjoyably, if there is any word like that, that is your hobby how do you feel writing about your hobby or talking about your hobby, making videos about your hobby? That's so enticing and so refreshing. So you can start with your hobby: jogging, inline skating, skateboarding, skiing, stone skipping. This is your first point when it comes to finding blog niches for your blog. Number 2 is to go to the website brokers or the businesses that are already successful. So first of all, we will look at Empire Flippers. They buy and sell quality online businesses. So there are people who have already created online businesses, succeeded. They really want to move on, either create new ones. They want to sell their sites because probably they want to go into other businesses or they need money. So that would help you find already profitable niches. And that is one of the ways I look for niches when I want to start a business online. You go in here and you find your way out, select monetization methods. So these are all ways you can do affiliate marketing or an online business. So mostly people start with Amazon affiliates. And which business are you looking at? Which size and income brackets do you want to go? So 0 to 3,640, and that is the price. So let's go for the yes, that's the biggest price. So let's go in there and find a listing for that. So that is Empire Flippers for you. So there you go. So these are businesses already selling. It's making monthly profits. It's making 714 and it's selling for a particular price. If you want to speak to the seller, you go there. So you multiply that by 31 times. This is online business. And this is how online business sells. Whatever you're earning for the month, you multiply that by 31 or 32, mostly between 25 and 30 times what you are earning monthly. And some can go for 40 times. Look at that. It depends on how much the person is earning or the business is earning within a month. So this is earn 46,178. You can just imagine the price of this product. So this is going for $1 million because of how much it's earning. It's in the news and education brackets. Don't look at this and think that you can easily earn this amount. No, this is real business. You can't start and earn this. You start small. We are looking at blog niches, simple blog niches, and that can be between $100 and $500 a month. That will be good from the start, from probably your first year. That's what you should be looking at. So we can actually look for something like that from the monthly brackets and see how much people are earning in that bracket. So for example, this is earning 469. It's in the sports niche, automotive, we have home, news, education. These are broad niches. We want some micro niches as well. So we can also go into other business models like AdSense. AdSense would also find us a number of niches. AdSense means you are putting Google ads on your websites, but not really affiliate marketing links like Amazon's, even though this is also affiliated to Google for that purpose. So this is also earning 27,000 just from ads, religious and spirituality. If you know so much about religious and spirituality, that's a potential for you. I think we should have probably reduced the amount because this is quite typical and that can be misleading. These are businesses that has been there for like 5, 10, 20 years and build a lot of momentum. So this is huge. But I just want you to know the niches and how people are rolling with these niches. Our second option is go Flippa.com. And with Flippa, we go for which type of website? We go for starter websites. We don't want to go for established ones like we did for Empire Flippers. And there we have to filter in here and find website we want to go for. So we are going for, no, not Amazon FBA, but instead we will be going for blogs, review sites. There you go. Very well. And monthly page views, monthly users, monthly profits. So you look at all of this. How much do you want to be seeing to inform you about the potential of a business or a niche? So minimum of 100 and maximum of, let's say, 1,000, because I have a business that has earned $1,000 for less than a year. Between 9 and 10 months, it started earning $1,000. So it's doable. So between $100 and $1,000, we can then look at all the sites that are doing just that. So that is earning $422 per month, and it's in ad sales. It's only monetizing this with ads. And look at the website here. Go enter go. It's in which niche? Advertising and internet. It's in the dog beds. So that is a very micro niche. The beds dogs sleep or lie on. And that is for you there. It's earning $929 per month. There you go with high class tactical. It's in the tactical boots. Very well. So this is in the boots niche. We have boots. That's general boots, but this is tactical boots. So that is going in. That is when you go with micro niches. $731 per month. This messenger bags. Wow. That's $626. We are not looking at how much it's selling. All of these have prices here. It's already making money. And with affiliate marketing, messenger bags is selling for $1,298. Powerful. So you can go in here. If you have the money, you can go and buy one of these and start already. If you have the money to invest. Well, these are already making money. Okay. This monetized with ClickBank, and it's in advertising and lifestyle. It's earning $834 per month. You can look at it. So this is a fair idea of what is already selling, what is already profitable, and what you can easily pick up and start rolling. My last option, or the third one, which is what I'll recommend for you, is to go to Human Proof Designs. I'll put the links to all these 3 ways you can find blog niches in the description of the video. You can always go there. Let's go to their services. And this is a business that is giving you 10 key websites, like the ones that are already selling. Now I showed you with the website brokers website. This website is creating starter websites for you. They have ready-made niche websites, custom-made niche websites, starting at $1,298. This one is starting at $1,298. They have aged sites. These sites have domain names that are aged, that really ranks very well on Google, and it's starting at $1,798. Revenue generating. This has already generated some revenue already, and they are selling. It's going from $2,297 to $10,000. So there you go. We have authority sites selling for $5,000 and supreme sites selling at about $3,000 there. So with this one, you can start with $1,298 and start to roll. Let's go in for the details there. Our main aim is to find the niches, because the money is in the niches. View available sites. So all you have to do is to browse, choose, and purchase. And there you go. So people who want to start affiliate marketing, this is the best way to start. These are authority sites. You may not be interested in authority sites for now because you're probably a beginner or starting afresh. But you can go for either the Supreme, which is for $1,700 and $2,500, or go for the standard. I'll start with the standard. And why I'm recommending these people for you is that, first of all, I've used them before, and I know people who have used them before. These people have that skill of determining profitable niches already for you. You don't have to force yourself find these niches. What if it doesn't work? These people have that experience. So you are sure if you put in the work. If you don't put in the work, this property will lie down and will not earn so much for you. You need to put in the work, and they will show you the system to do that. You always need a system. So these are the 3 ways and 3 avenues to find blog niches quickly to start affiliate marketing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments area. We have to creating a lot of these videos, recommend these resources for you so that you don't have to worry yourself to do all the work when someone has done it for you. You just have to turn in the key and start making money. This is your time.